Yes, I'm a major force of nature. Unpredictable, I'm danger. I'll burn you up, laser. I am no damsel in distress, no. I am the main event, it's my show. Got 'em snapping me from every angle, burning up like a candle. Say I'm too hot to handle, let's go. I know you like what you see, so get ready for me, cause I'm coming in hot. You're gonna love me. Yeah, I'm coming in hot. You wanna boss it? I wrote the book. I'm a 5-course meal made to make you look. I got your temperature rising, now you're trying to fight it, but it's obvious now, I'm really making you shook. I am no damsel in distress, no. I am no damsel in distress, no. I am the main event, it's my show. Got 'em snapping me from every angle, burning up like a candle. Say I'm too hot to handle, let's go. I'm coming in hot. Yeah. You're gonna love me. Yeah, I'm coming in hot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming in hot.
Happy birthday, Kayla! Wish ni Mami sa'yo na sana lahat ng wish mo sa buhay is matupad. At sana lumaki ka pa rin dedicated sa sarili mo at saka magampanan mo yung role mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Mikay! More concerts to come!
Let's give them a round of applause to Miss Michaela Mina!
Alam ko namang next year, mag-out of the country ka na para mag-aral. Mamimiss kita syempre, mamimiss ka namin. Good luck and bless sa journey mo doon as independent girlie. Stay young and beautiful. Love you, Kai. Happy birthday again.
Si Kayla is tahimik na bata pero lagi siyang honor sa school. Talagang pag may gusto siyang abutin sa buhay, inaabot niya talaga. Then, mabait siya na ate sa bahay. Talagang pinapasunod niya yung mga kapatid niya. At nasunod siya sa akin, bahay, eskwela lang talaga siya. Hindi siya nagagala, hindi din siya nagbo-boyfriend. Kaya the good thing kay ate is very responsible ate talaga si Ate Kayla.
Even though I know you have walls around yourself, I'm super grateful that you were there during the days when I was at my lowest point in my life. I'll be forever grateful that you exist in my life and that you allowed me to enter yours. I wish you all the best in life and always remember that you deserve all the good things in this world. Happy Ligalig ka!
Happy birthday, Ate Kai! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Kayla!
Let's keep it moving. Won't hesitate.
Happy birthday, Kayla! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday! Yun lang, kung may utang pa ako sa'yo, pwede next time. I broke it!
Won't hesitate. Good feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days.
Ngayon 18 ka na Ate Kayla, so pwede ka na mag-boyfriend. So, okay lang yun para mag-matured ka at saka hahayaan na rin kita mag-travel abroad. Then, pwede ka na rin mag-travel kahit saan mo gusto. Let me know at I will support you na lang dito kung ano pa. Pero ngayon, pinapayagan na kitang mag-explore. Ilabas mo ang pagiging Kyla mo. Go anywhere, explore everywhere, at mag-jowa ka na rin. Pwede na.